today is a special unboxing video for Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink subscription box, and I'm going to share it with you. Andrea, who owns Beyond the Pink Door fabric store, began doing the Think Pink subscription boxes just a few years ago, and now we are up to box 50. So this is a very special box. She's decided to put only one fabric for all the boxes. So there's just one colorway, one type of fabric, and it's a special celebration box. So it's almost, I guess, happy anniversary to the Think Pink subscription box. And it's special also because I treat this box like my birthday present. I have an April birthday, and this one is just extra special. We have the Beyond the Pink Door beautiful Think Pink gingham. I don't know what you call this little sleeve, I guess, and beautiful flowers. And I know gingham is very popular this year, so right on trend. Now this box is one of the smaller boxes. It doesn't feel too heavy or too light, so I'm very curious to know what's inside. Let's see if we can give you a sneak peek. Beautiful yellow. It says, April, this is a time for play, for color, experimentation, and trying something just because it delights you. And that is a beautiful card. And the back also has the gingham theme. And yeah, so I'll scan the QR code that's on the back of this later and read the ebook. But that's a very beautiful April card. The goodies are in a little yellow and white striped bag. Oh, this feels... I've never seen anything like this, but it's a pin cushion. It feels weighted, but it also looks like crochet or knit. I don't know if you can see that design right there, but it's very unusual. And I'll just add it to my pin cushions that I have out on my sewing desk. And we have some fruit pastilles. I believe she's included these before, and I really like these. They're like a gummy. If I remember correctly, they're like a gummy, and so they're really tasty. And now my thread kind of surprises me. Let's see. I think that says 169. And it's not white. I'm not sure if it's a light yellow or a cream, which cream is really not my color, but I can wear some yellow, but we'll see. If you're new to my channel, my name is Cynthia, and you're watching Mountain Accent Sewing. I do mainly talk about sewing, and I do enjoy sharing these Think Pink subscription boxes from Beyond the Pink Door. I've been subscribing since the very beginning, off and on. I think I missed the first couple of boxes, and then I think over the years I've missed maybe another 3 or 4. So I've gotten many of these, and Andrea has beautiful taste, and I'm very excited about opening this package here. I really like it. It's different, different fabric than what I normally would buy for myself, but I really, really like it. It definitely gives me spring and summer vibes. And let's see which way's up. Okay. Or maybe not directional. I'm not sure. Well, I think it might go this way because there's words. Well, there's more words. So, what do you think? I really love the fruit. I can see lemons and maybe some oranges and maybe apples, and then we got the palm trees and like the seaside thing, seagull. I saw one that said orange soda, and it's a very fun print. I believe it's a viscose. It feels like a viscose, and I look forward to sewing it up. Don't know if I'll get it done before the next box comes. I didn't have time to sew up my last month's fabric. I do have it washed and I have a project planned for it. And I'm hoping to get that cut out sometime in the next couple of weeks. So I'll be sewing on that, and I'll be thinking about what pattern I would like to use this for. I can see this fabric made up in a top or a little play suit. Tell me what your ideas would be for this fabric that I've shared with you today. What do you think? And I'd love to hear what you're working on. I always like to hear what you have going on in your sewing room. I took a quick look at the ebook and I saw some beautiful pattern options. I saw some beautiful jumpsuits, pants, play suits, dresses, tops, caftan style tops, as well as something that looked like a lot like a Donny shirt. I'll have to go back and give it a good read later. But this is some fun fabric. And again, like I said, I would love to hear your pattern suggestions for this fabric. I'll be back in a couple of weeks with my next video, and I will talk to you then. Have a wonderful day.